Hi and welcome to Chef's Review. On my workbench today, a fruit cutter from Royal Catering. A device very useful in any salad bar for preparing fruit salads or when you're producing these so trendy fruit packets that you see in the shops these days, or cafes. So let's see how it works. The operation is very simple. You have these two guiding rods and there's a pusher and there's a blade unit in the middle. So all you have to do is just take the desired fruit, just place it on a spike on the cutting unit, put the pusher down, hold the machine, apply some pressure. Alright, so that's what the machine does. Perfect apple wedges. But obviously it's not only for cutting apples. You can cut any fruit provided it goes through the cutting unit. Alright, so let me quickly disassemble the machine and show you the basic single parts. Alright, the pusher itself slides right out. It consists of a solid block of aluminium, so in order to clean it, just pop it in a dishwasher, give it a run, and it's already cleaned. The rest of the device, the cutting unit is also removable, so by unscrewing these two screws you can remove it for cleaning purposes, or you can change it when it goes blunt. They are sold separately as well. The rest of the device, the frame, is made of aluminium and has 4 rubber feet for additional safety. Alright, so if you're looking for a fruit cutter, a salad cutter or an onion cutter, just have a look at the website. There's a variety of these mechanical devices. With this, however, comes a 3-year warranty, but honestly there's nothing that can break. Additionally, it will be delivered in a really sturdy box with a tight, snug fit, so it won't rattle around on its journey, and it will arrive fully operational and functional to your place. Alright, so let me just quickly summarize. A fruit cutter from Royal Catering, 2 stainless steel rods, stainless steel blades, perfect wedges, and easy as operation, just up and down, just like 1, 2, 3. So in my book, definitely good enough. If you're looking for kitchen equipment, just leave me a comment in the comment section what else you'd like me to test and to show you, and I'll definitely do it for you. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.